Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Lydia with Raindrop Lila, and today I want to show you guys some of the digitals, the strawberry digitals that I have, and I'm actually working with them and I wanted to talk a little bit about them. So these are the Polaroids, and for this kit there's two of these Polaroids, and they're really vibrant and I love them so much. I think they're so pretty. And at the bottom here there's also some just some sentiments, like little titles you can use in your journals. And so this is one kit, but I also love vintage, like that vintage style, so I actually made another printable with just the photos, and these have like a vintage look to them. And then these are the Polaroids. And so this is a different kit. So I just wanted to show you guys kind of the difference in the coloring. And I think that they'll both look really good in a journal. I actually am going to cut them out and see how they look in my journal. The journal I'm working on right now is going to be themed with these. It's going to be a strawberry themed journal. And these are the digitals that I'm going to be using. And again, I wanted to kind of show you guys this kit. This is the vintage strawberry kit, and I just love them. I think they're so cute. These are almost like stamps, but they're a little bit bigger, so they'll be really cute as embellishments on a page. And then I have these here, and these are basically mini little coin envelopes, and I think they're so cool. And then I have these ones are minis also, and then I have the full size envelopes also, which is right here. I'm just going to show you guys a few of them. I'm not going to show you the whole kit because they are up. There's a slideshow up in my Etsy shop, so you can actually go and see it. But I just wanted to show you some of the pieces that I'm going to work with that I haven't actually put in my journal yet. Okay, so these are like little collage squares. I think these are so cool. You can cut them out and you can attach them to a like a tag if you wanted to, but what I like to do, I'm going to do that also, but what I'm currently thinking to do is punch them out. So you can use a circle punch to punch them out, or I have like a little scalloped punch that I want to try this with, and I think it's so cute. I can't wait to do this. And you can attach like the little scallop to a tag or just add it to your journal as an embellishment, and I think that'll be really fun. Okay, and then these are my tags. I'm really excited. I printed a bunch out and a bunch more out actually, and I am just about to cut everything out and work with them, so I figured I'd share on here first. Okay, and then let's see, I was also going to mention that I have the paper kit, which is like 22 pages I think for the vintage strawberry, and I have some paper, digital paper like this that's more of a blank look, so that when you print these out, if you turn it over and print on the back, it'll be like a nice color on the back that you can journal on. So this makes it super easy. I mean, usually you can just glue down some coffee dye paper, but this sometimes can be simpler. So this is perfect for even for like tags, for the back of the tags or the journaling cards. So that's what I use it for. And this one, I just made it, and this hasn't been released yet, but it will be coming soon to my Etsy shop. Okay, so now I also printed these guys out. These ones are actually part of a vintage Valentine kit, and what I did was I went in and I edited it, and I added a few pages so that if you guys want to pick this up, you can use this in any journal. So they're no longer just Valentine themed. So you're going to have like the Valentine themed one, which would say like Happy Valentine's Day. And then this one, I just think it looks so good with the strawberries. She kind of looks like strawberry shortcake. So anyways, that's what I did, and I want to show you guys the pieces that I have that are extra. And they are also on sale right now. For this week, they are on sale. It's for a limited time, but I think they're so cute, and I think they're going to look so cute in a journal. Okay, and then this one is basically neutral, except some of the sentiments on here are kind of like about love, but the tickets aren't. So I printed these out because I want to use these in my strawberry themed journal. And then I think this is really cute too. I think these will work really well in the journal also. I think they're so, so cute. Okay, and then I have another digital, which I'm going to show you guys. This is my Vintage Hearts digital, and it has a lot of like vintage papers and like pops of red. So I printed this out, and I'm actually using some of the pages from this kit too. And again, this kit is also on sale. So if you guys picked up my strawberry themed digital, and you guys want something a little bit more or a little bit different, I have this kit also, and I think it's so cute. I just love this one. Also, this one's called the Vintage Hearts, and I think I have musical hearts also. So it's got like the little music notes and then hearts, and so there's like a lot of pops of red in there. And so I printed these so I can add these in there also. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I will be sharing more of my journal soon. I have actually 3 journals that I'm working on, and I'll show you guys a sneak peek. So here's what I have so far. So I'm working on getting these done. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this sneak peek. Okay, you guys have a good day. Bye-bye.